Hope you're having a fantastic day. Hope you're doing really well. I have an update. We're doing a conference in September. The dates are set. It's going ahead. We are going to get back. If you're waiting on the times we start or the where the location is, we're going to have to update you on that. We're still talking with the actual company, the event, the conference center, to find out what numbers we can have there safely, because safety is important. All right, so if you're just hanging out to find out where we are running the event and the dates, the times, all that sort of stuff, bear with me guys, because we are going to get back to you and find out what where we're going to be running this event. All right, hope you're staying safe and hope your Amazon journey is going great so far. You're going to be learning a lot at this event. We do cover a lot of practical aspects of Amazon. So you do bring your laptops with you. There's desks there, there's chairs, obviously there's going to be chairs there, and we find products together. We find suppliers together, so we do research on suppliers on Alibaba and a few other websites. We find local based suppliers as well, based here in Australia, and we actually go through everything involved in listing a particular product. So we go through a lot of practical and very analytical, in-depth stuff of listing, so we can log into an Amazon Seller Central account. If you have your account, you can bring it along. We can log in and do some numbers together, and we can basically log in and even review your PPC or review launching a product on Amazon. We can go through headlines. We do live listing reviews. So if your product's up on Amazon, we'll go through the reviews together and to further improve it. So it's very exciting. It's good to go live to a workshop and actually do this. We are going to live stream it as well, and that's a question we often get asked is, are you going to be live streaming this event? And the answer is yes, we are going to be live streaming it, and I'll keep you updated on that as well, but it is going to be live streamed. So if you can't come to this event, there's no issues. We're doing one in December, and we've got them planned also for next year. At least 3 are planned for next year. So there's going to be heaps of opportunity to come to a workshop when you might feel it's safer, and it's completely up to you. But we are going to live stream each one, so you get access to the live stream, but also you can attend later on free of charge to another workshop. Now this is a student only workshop. You have to be a student to come, obviously, right? There is cost, so you get a free ticket. For every one of my students gets a free ticket to attend the training. So it's going to be very, like I said, very in-depth. We're going to go through a lot of practical aspects of it. It is a workshop, so you bring your computer because there is work to be done in the room. We look at products, we start finding products using software, we look at the numbers together. It is a very practical event. So if you're brand new and you're a beginner at this and you've never done this before, this would be a perfect opportunity for you to come along and find products together with us. All right, have a great day, stay safe, hope you're doing really awesome, and the sky's the limit. Your potential on Amazon, once you find a good product, guys, is unlimited. You just got to go out there, find a good product, follow through. This is a business after all, and follow through. All right, have a fantastic day, stay safe, bye for now.